note because all the things that they described as lies and propaganda from us are being re-echoed by them, and they are saying it so loud that we have the receipts. We are keeping the receipts. Today,
Facts on Ghana SM TV, do like, share, and subscribe. So guys, Edem Agbana is telling Bryan and Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan that they should keep on destroying the reputation of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. They should never stop. They should keep on attacking him and his wife. They should never stop. If they want to stay in opposition till 2060, they should not stop. Guys, the tribal bigots, Bryan Echampo, the award-winning tribalistic man in this country, has been warned. Edem Agbana is saying that he is keeping all the receipts. If the New Patriotic Party will not learn, the NDC will be keeping all the receipts. And they should not come and wash Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia when he emerges as the flag bearer of their party in 2028. They will not, because they will use the same message they are selling today against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Kusasi for any man pieces for omu problem. President Kufuano, winning MPP vote Kusasi. Winning MPP vote Proceed. President Kufuor winning MPP vote Kusasi. And winning MPP vote Proceed. And this answer is calling Jiran conform you. I am a Fabako and the Agbana. And in 2024, apart from a corner, a free OT, Ediko upper east, upper west, and northern, upper western region. The Lucy is a woman. It's a and if you are a victim of circumstances, it's not your fault. Time may not anything. But we cannot wait. This situation,
exactly what they did in 2024. Edem Agbana, NDC communicator, is telling Bryan Echampo that he should keep on keeping on with the tribalism. He should keep on keeping on with the tribalistic comments. He should never stop. They should keep on dragging and maligning the name of the favorite Bawumia of the New Patriotic Party. Guys, they should never stop. Edem Agbana is saying that they are keeping receipts. And the DJ will come. When all this information you are dishing out will come in handy.
The way the NPP came at him, accused him, insulted him, look, denigrated him for calling out Dr. Bryan Echampo in his attempt to buy the Sneed hotels. Today, MPP members, people close to Dr. Bawumia and people close to Kennedy Japan and co. are the people mentioning that when he had the opportunity as a cabinet minister, he wanted to buy state hotels. So all of a sudden, it is no more an NDC propaganda. So we are taking notes. We are taking notes because all the things that they described as lies and propaganda from us are being re-echoed by them, and they are saying it so loud that we have the receipts. We are keeping the receipts. Today, if it was the NDC that accused Kennedy Japan of being reckless or being, say, irresponsible in his commentary and what have you, they would have come after us. And those are the things that they did in the past. But today, it is the NPP, some executives, leading members, some even former appointees who are calling out Kennedy Japan and using some of these words to describe him as a tribal bigot, an irresponsible man, and what have you. So for me, the only lesson, key lesson, profound lesson I am learning in this MPP internal contest is that time is a true revealer of things. And this time, the internal contest is vindicating the NDC. Because, Roland, these are things we said in the past, and they said we were lying, they called us names. But today, they are the ones throwing these things at each other. We are taking notes. We are keeping the receipts. And at the right time, we will use them. Finally, again, when we said Dr. Bawumia was incompetent, he could not run the economy, and that he messed up Ghana's economy, and that given the opportunity, he will mess the economy more. We saw what they did, haircuts, subjected Ghanaians to buy false haircuts, proper haircuts on our investment. Even retirees were not spared in the wickedness in the execution of the economic agenda. They said, oh, you know, Dr. Bawumia was economic whiskey, and they touted him as, not part of the mess. So they tried pushing all the blame on His Excellency President Akufo-Addo, and they trying to delink Dr. Bawumia from the mess. And so anytime anything good was mentioned, Dr. Bawumia takes credit. And then when it comes to the mess and the challenges, the failure of the government, they say, oh, that one was Akufo-Addo. But today, MPP members, former appointees, members of parliament, former ministers are the ones telling us that Dr. Bawumia is so incompetent and he cannot manage the economy. After the primaries, let none of those people turn back and come to tell us that Dr. Bawumia is competent. Because we are taking notes.
Well, if he's the one chosen, you have no choice.
No, if he's the one chosen, don't come and polish him. Because in this contest, you are telling us that he was a mess of an economic manager. And so, if he emerges as the winner, don't try and come into, polish him now and make him look like he's somebody who can manage the economy. All I'm saying is that, Roland, whatever they are saying about Dr. Bawumia now, they should maintain same after he is elected. Whatever they are saying about Bryan, they should maintain same after he is elected. Whatever they are saying about Kennedy Japan, and I believe Kennedy will win. When he wins the elections, the same comments that the MPP members are telling us that he is reckless, he is irresponsible, he is a tribal bigot, those are the things we'll see on the billboard for 2028. Let nobody attempt to clean up the mess of any of the candidates that we met from the internal primaries, because whatever they are saying about them now, Roland, that is what we are taking. The question then is,
Edem Agbana in the NDC are excited about whatever is going on. And of course, Gideon Boakum has also joined the conversation, and he is sending an advice to Bryan to be circumspect. And he has touched on the fact that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a very peaceful person. He does not want drama. All that he wants is unity and coherence in the party, so that whoever emerges the winner will stand a chance to win 2028. Guys,
it shouldn't have happened that way. And also Kasa and Kasa, come on. I'm a Kasa, Abodia Kekabia, Nimanko. No.
Or say let's end tribalism.
Exactly. Now you're
religious intolerance and internal attack.
Or the foot to be my MPP for, which is so good. It's about me as a look. I don't think I am Kumwadia. Edu say I got twaba and yinipa obedi and nimo party more. Now, done in Tokwa, attempted dear Casachie and Croneba. It is not necessary. Okay? And Osha me amitia. Maybe Kasama Baumel. Men are Kasaman of 7 to 8 years. Come this whole bruhaha by we a potential aspirant. We is what Mano Casada. Now, if you say, Samin Kasaya, and you're panibin to me for Samin Kamanunto. That's happened, you know, Oya Baumia, I work for him. But throughout this whole brouhaha, now we can't wait 2 years, so now we yes, and now we yes. Obiate Mano Casada. It is because Nipana Meye Juma Manono. Nyasa Meye Juma, he also advises me. So look, Gideon, keep quiet. Sometimes we bit me car some tone or so. I think I would me young, wouldn't the assessor worker. But the man will tell you, say, look, for the sake of the peace of the party, let not your voice be heard on this matter. Okay? And or MPP asundri. And or MPP in Kankro. And to one person be by ya, dear Bia. I didn't cry any rights. But I say, look, for the sake of the peace of the party, until our car assembly now no member, and I say, look. Ya two about we ya obabo until the two mu say, no cre wadi chono. Any bra or the babaji two musa early concession. Or yes, sir, for the interest of the country. Na ono ohuni say, adie bia ebeboa on my Ghana no. Say MPP so you huni say ebeboa ye.